Ever feel like you're drowning in video editing? Boom. Opus Clip to the rescue. The AI superhero you didn't know you needed. It's like having a psychic editor. It knows the gold in your videos and digs it out. Save time, boost engagement, look pro without trying. And did I mention saving time? Going pro? Opus Clip's gotcha with all the bells and whistles. Why settle for less when you can have the best? How does it work? Like magic. What can you edit? What can't you? Free plan? Yup, and it's awesome. Join the short-form revolution with Opus Clip. Start creating, stop stressing, and let's go viral together. Got a kick out of that? Smash like, hit follow, and share the buzz. Want to keep the vibe alive? A coffee for me equals more cool vids for you. Love you.